Both of these boats were tarped in the fall. One of them has failed. In this episode, the tale of two tarps, how and why one has failed and the other has not. Two similar sized boats. Both had tarp frames above the cockpit and the cabin. The one that failed had a better tarp and a higher quality tie downs. But take a look at this mess now. So, why is it that a boat with a better tarp and better connectors could not withstand the 100-kilometer-an-hour winds we get around here? Well, there are two answers. This boater is not relying on the grommets in the tarp. They have used a number of these things. These tarp grabbers are less likely to fail than grommets, at least in part because of their larger circumference. You can also place them where you want them on the tarp, and especially closer together. Notice how this boater has made the tarp stick close to the hull. That keeps the tarp from having lift. That is, wind getting underneath the tarp and causing it to lift up in the air. Once 100-kilometer-an-hour winds do that, the tarp turns into a sail and the wind puts incredible force on the grommets to fail. If one or two fail in a single area, then the tarp starts to flap, and this causes even more failure. By the way, if you are tut-tutting because you had your boat shrink wrapped, look at these videos. So anyway, back to the topic. The second reason for a catastrophic failure is the lack of this. Yes, it's cheap, old polypropylene line. I hate the stuff, but it has some wonderful features for this application. It is strong and it's slightly stretchy. I throw the line over the top of the bow and another one over the top of the stern. They are tied down to my cradle. When the tarp gets lift, the lines keep it from turning into a sail. Two things: keeping wind from getting under the tarp and using polypropylene to hold it down when it does. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave it below. If you'd like others to be able to watch this video, please give me thumbs up. That seems to be how YouTube works. My name is Alan Stokel.
Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.